The positive and negative poles on the battery correspond to the positive and negative poles of the remote control. There is a switch on the side of the remote control. Push the switch up to turn on the remote control. After turning on the remote control, press the number 8 to turn on the power of the card dealer. Press and hold the number 6 to open the cover shaft. Now is opened. Press and hold number 1 to close the cap shaft. OK. Now press and hold the number 6 to open the cover shaft. Hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds. Put the playing cards in the dealer. The mobile phone enters the call interface. Enter *1368*. Login. Select Purchased. Find Baccarat 2819. Click it. Camera channel to choose here. 1:1 external camera. Plug this line into your phone. Plug in the receiver again. This is the receiver. Into this round socket. Plug in a power bank on the other side of the receiver, the kind of power bank that normally charges mobile phones. Start the game. Now the result displayed by the analyzer is Banker 2. If you don't change the result, the banker wins. If you want to change the result, press the number 2 on the remote control. It will change into Player wins. Don't change the result now, deal the cards. Banker wins. Now the result displayed by the analyzer is Player 2. To change the result to Banker win, press the number 2 on the remote. Dealing now is the banker's win. Banker wins. Now the result displayed by the analyzer is Player 3. To change the result to Banker win, press the number 3 on the remote. Dealing now is the banker's win. Banker wins. Press the number 7 to turn off the power of the card dealer. Power is off. The red charging line is on the right, the black charging line is on the left. Plug in. If the power light is green, it is fully charged, or it is not charging. If the light is red, it is charging.